Hello guys, my name is Pratama from class 90.1C25, majoring in Information System. Here, I will give my opinion about smoking in the campus area. Smoking behavior has a negative impact on non-smokers, namely through exposure to cigarette smoke. Prevention of smoking behavior in the campus environment cannot be ignored. Given the health risks posed by smoking, it is important for educational institutions to take real steps in creating a health and smoke-free campus environment. Through educational efforts and healthy behavior programs in the campus environment, it is hoped that smoking behavior can be suppressed. In order to maintain the health and welfare of the academic community, empowerment of the community around the campus and control to the impact of smoking also need to be strengthened to create a healthy and smoke-free campus environment. Thus, awareness of the dangers of smoking in the campus environment is not only an individual health issue, but also a shared responsibility to protect the welfare of the academic community. Through steps, education, and collaboration between stakeholders, we can create a campus environment that not only supports intellectual growth, but also protect everyone from the negative impact of smoking. The importance of real action in creating a healthy and smoke-free environment on a campus is a shared to call to realize a healthier, more purpose, and more productivity future for all elements of society. Thank you.
Okay, next I will explain about simple present.
First one, what is simple present tense? Simple present tense is a tense used to express events that happen regularly, routinely, or commonly in the present. Present mean what? Present in simple present tense mean the present. Then simple means simple, and tense is the verb from according to the time period used. Next, when is present tense used? Present tense is used when someone wants to express an event or general fact that is happening right now. In addition, simple present tense is also used in conditional sentence type 0 and conditional sentence type 1, followed by simple future tense. In name, the formula for this tense is not too complicated. This is because we often use the tense in our daily lives. Before dipping deeper, it's better if we recall the structure of a sentence so we can say a sentence if it consists of the following three things. S for subject, P for predicate, and C for complement. Simple present tense formula. In general, the simple present tense formula is subject plus verb 1 plus complement for positive sentence with a verbal pattern. If the pattern is nominal, then the present tense formula becomes subject plus auxiliary verb plus complement. So, how to make a simple present tense sentence? Here is the simple present tense formula that you can use. For positive sentence, subject plus to be plus complement. For negative, subject plus to be plus not plus complement. For question, to be plus subject plus complement. Example of simple present tense with nominal sentence patterns is positive, I'm an international school student, and negative, he is not an international school student. And question, is he an international school student? Verbal simple present tense, the negative, positive, and question. Formula of the simple present tense for the verbal pattern is positive subject plus verb 1 plus is or is plus complement, negative subject plus do or does not plus verb 1 plus complement. For question, do or does plus subject plus verb 1 plus complement. In according with the previous discussion, in verbal sentence, you don't need to add to be after the subject because the predicate is the verb The good thing is the verb in the tense is the basic verb meaning that it hasn't undergone any change. So, if you make a sentence with a third person subject, you can use he, she, it, singular subject. Three are some verbs that need to have s or is added at the end. Positive simple present tense, just like a nominal sentence, verbal sentence also have positive forms as we discussed earlier. Example of a simple present tense sentence: I live in Jakarta. He lives in Jakarta. Negative simple present tense specifically for the negative part of the sentence and the question sentence. Then use do or does or do not atau don't and does not atau doesn't. Example, I don't live in Bandung, or she doesn't live in Bandung. Hey, why doesn't it live? How come it doesn't live? Yep, because the word doesn't already includes the addition of s, so there's no need to add it to the verb part. Simple present question or interrogative in the question sentence pattern. It is separated into two parts, namely yes or no question. For example, do I work or does he work? Next, what are the characteristics of simple present tense sentence? After summarizing the previous explanation, here are some characteristics of simple present tense sentence. 1. Use verb in their basic form infinite or familiar irregular verbs. Example, I play soccer every weekend. And 2. Use the auxiliary verb do or does for verbal sentence in the negative and interrogative forms. Example, he doesn't eat meal. Doesn't equal no. Auxiliary verb in the negative form for the subject he. Do you like chocolate? Do equal auxiliary verb for question with the subject you. In the present sentence, there are usually adverbs of time such as always, usually, often, rarely, seldom, never, every day, week, month, or year. Example, I always drink coffee in the morning. I think the explanation is enough. Thank you.